Tolerisk Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Tolerisk is a specialized tool designed for financial advisors to assess their client risk tolerance comprehensively. Unlike traditional robo-advisors that directly manage investment, Tolerisk focuses on evaluating both client and willingness and the ability to take on risk, aiding advisor in crafting personalized investment strategies. And here are the key features about this website. Tolerisk combine psychometric evaluation with detailed cash flow analysis to make both psychological comfort with risk and the financial capacity to endure financial losses. And also, client undergoes a 20 questions psychometric based survey providing deep insight into the risk, preference, and financial solution. By investing quantitative data, Tolerisk generates enhanced risk profile, enabling advisor to tailor investment recommendation effectively. And here's the variable part. It enhances client understanding, also it improves fiduciary responsibility. And here's the downside of this variable part. It comes with not a direct robo-advisor. So investors seeking for automated portfolio management will need to look elsewhere. Tolerisk has the assessment tools for advisor. Also, advisor dependency. Client must work with advisor who utilize Tolerisk to benefit the assessment. Here's the final verdict. Tolerisk stand out as a valuable resources for financial advisors aiming to deepen their understanding of client risk profile, while it doesn't offer direct investment. And its comprehensive assessments can lead to more tailored and effective investment strategies when used by knowledgeable